EFC 3223, Computing 1, Chapter 7, Pointers. At the end of this chapter, students are expected to know the concepts of pointers in C++. This includes memory and the concept of address in memory, referencing and dereferencing, and some pointer arithmetic. Topics on pointers are actually considered advanced topic already in C++, but for our scope, we will do some brief idea about this topic because this course is for the first computing course that engineering students go through. Chapter content. We will cover memory and address first, then referencing and the opposite of it, dereferencing, and pointer arithmetic. When we buy a computer, one of the specs is how much memory or RAM it has. The unit of the size of memory is byte. 1 byte is normally 1 unit of memory that is addressable. Nowadays, the amount of memory in a standard computer system is around 4 billion bytes, or normally we call 4 gigabytes. However, as of the time this recording is made, year 2020, 4 gigabyte might not be the standard anymore. It might be already 8 gigabytes. Variables are simply small pieces of memory that we acquire from the system here meaning the operating system, by declaring the variable in our program. So variables are actually small pieces of memory. Since there are billions of bytes installed in our computer system, an integer variable, for example, is only 4 bytes, there must be a way to tell where this integer is located in the memory. And this locality problem is the one that brings up the concept of memory address. Due to the locality problem that we mentioned just now, a memory system not only need to be capable of keeping data, it also must keep track or know where the data is inside its system. Imagine a memory system with 1000 byte or 1 kilobyte of memory. A 4 byte integer with value 200 may be put at address or location, let's say 100. This means the address of the integer is 100 and the value is 200. We need to distinguish between these two. They are really two different values with two totally different meaning. Let's say we visualize the memory system like this, the one that we mentioned in the previous slide. A memory system with 1000 byte, the first byte 0, until byte 999. Total is 1000 byte. And that variable, an integer variable, with value 200, let's say it is located at address 100, it will occupy 4 bytes, starting from 100 to 101, 102, and then 103. So the address of the integer is 100, the value is 200.